Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on guys a reading mode on Poco mobile. Friends, you want to on reading mode on your Poco phone. So friends, how to on reading mode on Poco phone and how to use it. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on reading mode. After on phone setting, I how to on reading mode. So when scroll it, as you can see, Poco phone get display setting. So friends, we will on display setting. After on display setting is light mode, dark mode setting. You want to on, you can on and you can off from here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see brightness level. Friends, you can check your brightness level from here. If you want to increase, you want to decrease your brightness, you can increase and decrease from here. Automatic brightness setting, you can enable sunlight mode. You can enable from here, guys. So when scroll it, friends, you can see reading mode setting, guys. So I tap here. So guys, you can on your reading mode from here. After on guys, your skin color will change, and guys, you want to change into this color, so you can change. So you should on your reading mode at night when you operate your phone at night. So friends, you should on guys your reading mode. After guys, you can look at on your screen easily. Friends, you want to schedule your reading mode. Friends, you can start time and off time, guys. You can set from here. And when direct friends you want to use, so I tap here to use reading mode. So friends, you can see reading mode will on your Poco phone. Friends, we want to off. So friends, second option friends, I will show you guys how to off it. When open your phone search bar and we search here the reading. Friends, you can see reading mode, guys. Tap here. Direct friends you can off from here, and direct friends you can on from here. Reading mode setting on your Poco phone, guys. If you want to use, you can on from here. You don't want to use, guys, tap here to off it. So like that, we can use reading mode setting on Poco phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.